So lovely to watch this lovely rainy weather at this time of night. Even though I'm so relaxed and peaced, I wonder if anyone's gonna be coming. I'm just feeling kind of lonely, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's just look. Let's just watch the lovely view and just relax for now. The new show tales. Let me explain what is going on. So you saw too. Hey, so you saw your best friend Tails just going to somewhere relaxing. What would you all do? Let me know in the comment below. Oh, this is the roleplay post by the way. So feel free to talk with Tails at any time.